Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here. It's been a while since I had some videos. My daughter had a soccer tournament, so I've been pretty busy. Just driving around yesterday, picking up the kids, I saw this in somebody's trash. The hose was sticking out the top of the garbage can, and I thought it was just the hose, but then it led to a backpack blower from Homelite. It's a BP250, 170 miles per hour, at least claimed. That's the sticker. Anyway, I pull started it a bunch of times. It wouldn't start, you know. Sprayed some carb cleaner into the carb on choke, and it sputtered a little bit. So I dumped out the gas. Looks like soy sauce. So I'm just going to put some fresh gas in there and see where we go from there. Just gave it a bunch of pull starts. Fired right up. Work pretty well, man. Idles well. Just let it warm up a little bit, and that was it, man. Maybe it needs some adjustments on the carb. Such a wasteful society, you know? But I guess it's good for me, and the guys like me. Just throwing away free money is what it is. That wasn't an easy pick. I don't know what is. Everything's in decent shape, man. Yeah, I saw this for $100. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. All you gotta do is get like an old t-shirt or a rag or something and just clean it up, just like you were selling a used car, you know. If it's had dust and dirt all over it, it's gonna look less appealing to people who want to buy it. So that's why when I list things on Craigslist, Let Go, or the Facebook Marketplace, I always just take a little while and shine it up a little bit, you know, and make it look newer than it is, you know, and that's the key. It's all about marketing it, you know, and if it looks nicer, you'll get more money for it, you know, easily. But like I said, such a wasteful society, but good for me, you know. So it's a Homelite BP250. Starts right up, you know, and all it needed was new gas. That's all it needed, and a fuel mixture adjustment on the screws. So I'll put this up for like $100.